Hi everyone, welcome to Ladies Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today, ready for you, I've got another fun dance flow. We're going to be following the music of Soren Bebe, and it's going to be jazzy and fun, and you're also going to be sweating. And also I wanted to say a special thanks to BALLERINA for providing us with the beautiful leotards. And if you want to know more about these leotards and you want to know where to get them, check the box below where I've got all the links for you to get them. Otherwise, if you're ready for this, find a space in your home and let's flow it. Starting second. Port de bras. Push. Come up, grab the hand, and push. Come back, other way. One. Bend and push, find that twist, core engage. Repeat. And push. Little faster with the pulse. 2, 3, 4. Up. Other way and 1. Whoop. Now you bend and push. Little pulse and 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back up. Grand plie. Go 1, 2, and lift. Very good. One more time. Go down again. Stay there. Little pulse. 6, 7. And arms. Come back up. Pop the heel. Down. And lift. And other way. And lift. And down. And lift. And down. Lift. Very good. Arms push. And down. Arm push. And again. Come into parallel. And down. And 1. And down. And again. And down. And 1. 2 first. Same thing. 1. And 1. And 1. In front we go. Flex, point, flex, point, flex, point. Close other way. Flex, point, flex, point, flex, point. To the side. 1. Flex, point, flex, point, flex, point. Close other way. Flex. Leg in front, take it back, take it front, take it back, you take it front, attitude, you take it back, attitude, and close other way, and back, and forward, and back. Take it front, attitude. Take it back, attitude. Again, go forward, and back. Feel the opposition. Forward, stability, supporting leg. Oh, attitude. To the back, attitude. And close other way. And back. Forward, and back. Again. Forward. Very good. Back. And close. We turn down. And lift arabesque. Lift. Down. Change other way. Arabesque. Lift. Very good. First, go down. And lift. Pulse up, pulse up, pulse up. Other way down. Arabesque. Lift up, pulse up, pulse up, pulse up. Put it down. Come back. You plie. Quick shake. Again. Arabesque. Lift up, little pull. Pulse up, 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 and back. Arabesque. Pulse up, and up, and up, and up. Come on, 2 more. Arabesque. Pulse up, and up, and up, and up, and down. Arabesque. And pulse up. And up, and up, and down. Breathe. And relax. Roll up. Very good. Open again. First one. Out. I know it was quick. And change. Again. 1. Keep on toe. Very good. And side. Became front. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change all the way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close all the way. Very well done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that. Remember to go and check out the links for Ballet Rosa Dance Work Corner and Soren Bebe's music. As well, if you want the whole workout, come and check out the Lazy Dancer Studio, where everything and more workout plans, ballet classes, and everything you can think of, including a fantastic community, is there. Otherwise, I'll see you next Wednesday here on YouTube. Ciao, guys.